Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Turn off the cold and hot water supplies, and make sure the shutoffs actually stop flow. Once done, position the meal on a firm, level surface with 2 to 3 centimeters of clearance at the back so hoses and ventilation fit. Remove transit bolts and internal packing now. This prevents drum damage and noise later. You install feet for leveling before moving on, because a level washer prevents vibration, and you attach the inlet hoses to the labeled hot and cold ports, hand tightening then giving a firm quarter turn to ensure a leak-free seal. Why? Because over-tightening can strip threads and under-tightening leaks. Next, guide the drain hose into the standpipe or sink, securing it at the specified 65 to 100 centimeter height to prevent siphoning. Finally, plug the machine into a dedicated grounded outlet. Make sure there are no adapters, since stable power protects the motor and electronics. You level the machine with a spirit level and lock the feet so the washer won't shift during spin cycles, which reduces noise and wear. Once leveled, run an empty rinse at low temperature to test inlet, drain, and electronics. Watch for leaks and proper draining. If you see leaks, immediately stop and retighten hose fittings, inspect the rubber gasket, and replace any damaged hoses. This quick verification saves time and prevents water damage, so don't skip it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.